Hi, I'm Benji. I'm 12 years old. I'm in Year 8 at Wellington College International, Shanghai. It's an easy question to answer why we like Chinese food. I've just grown up with it and it's been a big part of my life. So I have my dad, he is a chef.
Fat chef.
I have my mom, she's Hungarian, and she's a teacher at Wellington. She teaches music. And my sister, she's 15 years old. She's always quite annoying, but at the same time nice. She's always looking after me, and she's a student at Wellington as well. If I remember correctly, they met in Bermuda.
In the Middle East?
Or no, Bahrain. And my dad was working in a hotel. He met my mom, who was playing cello at the time. She was one of the performers. They ended up together. My parents came to Beijing because my dad, he got a job there after they met. And then in 2009, my sister was born, and then I was born. I like Chinese culture and this, because also at my school we celebrate Chinese New Year, Dragon Boat Festival, and so on. In my school, sometimes with my teacher I do calligraphy and I practice my Chinese strokes and how I write. Of the teachers I have, they've influenced the way I learn and the way I look at Chinese culture. Why do you like to do Chinese food? Like, why do you like to cook it?
It's the flavors. It's the mixture, the sweet, salty, sour. And it just, when it comes together, it's perfect.
It's an easy question to answer why we like Chinese food. I've grown up with it. My mom, and dad, they came back from work one day. I just remember my ayi having, all kinds of foods laid out on the table, like mian tiao, baozi, and all that kind of stuff. And it just made me feel like China is my home. Usually for Chinese New Year's, we make jiaozi, and we love it. It's just fun. We put music on. My dad makes the meat, and we have made it actually quite a few times while we were in Shanghai, and turned out not bad. We always try to keep it as a family, and that's the good thing about Chinese food. It brings us together, and that's also why I love it. It's something that creates love. It might sound a bit cheesy, but I think it's a big part of my life that's brought my family closer and closer. 中华文化圈粉记，我们爱中国美食。